Sun's rising on day 2 of the OBS Bronco Godzilla project. View out the front office here as the sun peeks over the horizon. I made a mistake, didn't run video yesterday. It was really all about teardown, and a lot of times that's not too exciting. In this case, it got a little dicey. You can see the Bronco sitting out here. One of the challenges is this truck has got a fair bit of lift with that solid axle. We can't get it too close to the ground on the hoist. So getting the 302 out was a bit tricky. We were able to do it with the cherry picker at full maximum height and just sort of squeaking the engine over the core support. So that was a little bit of fun. Engine's on the ground over here. We left the intake on. If we'd pulled it, it would made it a little bit easier, but this engine's going to another project for the owner, so we didn't really want to disassemble it. It's got to be crated and sent back to him. So trying to keep it all together. But yeah, got that thing out. We pulled the engine first, then dropped the trans and TKs second. So those are sitting on the ground behind the truck. So really got the underhood clear. We've got basically room to work now. So what we're going to do, first off, we pull as much as we can out of here. We get any little component we know we don't need out of the way so that we have room to work on Godzilla stuff and we can figure out where we're going to place things. Next up, we did some cleaning. We're going to try to degrease because we may be welding in here. And then we start the fitment process. Now, we are a little bit held up right now. We're waiting on the bell housing. It's back ordered. So until we get a bell housing, we can't mount a tranny, which means it's kind of tough to do a full mock-up. In the meantime, we're going to tackle some of the challenges on radiator. You can see, let me zoom around here. Stock radiator was pulled. It was kind of the small one for the 302, so we're looking at, first off, we may try to use the diesel radiator. If not, we'll go with a more aftermarket kind of heavy duty unit. But going to solve some radiator challenges, and then we're going to take a look at the fuel system and figure out for the OBS pump module down in the tank what we can retrofit in, because we need to upsize the pump for basically double the horsepower on this build. So that's it. More to come shortly. We will keep posting videos as we get through the major phases in this guy. Next up will be cooling and fuel. So stay tuned to YouTube, hit the subscribe button to our channel if you'd like, and follow along. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to jump in and answer them as much as I can in time permitting. Thanks for watching.